Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to swap crypto using the Binance Web3 wallet step by step. This is Binance. This is Binance's. This is Binance's self-custody wallet where you control your keys. And now you can easily swap tokens across multiple blockchains. Let's get started. First of all, go to Binance app or open website and tap the wallet tab. Then select click on order, click third party wallet from the option. If you haven't created one yet, follow the prompts to set it up. Make sure to back up your seed phrase securely. Once your wallet is ready, log in and you will see your token balances. You can search Binance Web3 Wallet. The guide. You might see it as DeFi Wallet, Binance DeFi Wallet. Now let's start the swap. Tap the swap, or wait a minute. For Web3 wallet, you will see two token fields. The one you are swapping from, the one you are swapping to. Tap the first token and choose what you want to swap, like BNB, Ethereum, or USDT. Then select the token you want to receive, like MATIC, DAI, or other altcoin. The Binance Web3 wallet supports multi-chain swapping, So you can go from BNB chain to Ethereum, for example. Now enter the amount you want to swap. Binance will automatically detect the best route using DEX aggregators across chains. You will see the exchange rate, the estimated gas fee, minimum received amount to protect from slippage. You can also tap advanced settings to customize slippage tolerance or transaction deadline, helpful for DeFi pros. If everything looks good, tap next. Now you will see a full preview of your transaction. Double check the from and the two tokens, the amount, the network fee, like gas fee. Tap confirm to start to swap for first time. Swaps, you might be asked to approve the token. This gives the contract permission to use it. Just tap approve and then confirm again when the swap prompt returns. Now the transaction is being sent to the blockchain. While your swap is processing, you can tap view on Explorer to check it on BSC scan, Ether scan, or another blockchain explorer, depending on the network. The swap could take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once done, you will see the new token balance right in your Web3 wallet dashboard. Congrats, your swap is complete. Here are some quick tips in case something goes wrong. If the swap fails, check your internet and retry. Always make sure have you have enough native tokens for gas like BNB or BNB chain. ETAs for Ethereum. Want cheaper fees? Use Polygon or Arbitrum. If stuck in pending, don't panic. Open transaction history to check the status or resubmit your with higher gas. And that's how to swap crypto in Binance Web3 wallet. You have just made a decentralized swap, no centralized exchange needed. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what token pair you swapped. Thanks for watching and happy swapping.